Hey guys, so this advent calendar piece I found at a thrift store for $1.50. It was $3. They had it half off, so I got it for $1.50. And we are going to create our own Christmas advent calendar. Now, those bunnies, they caused a little bit of damage, so it's no big deal. I'm just going to sand this and put some spackling on and fix it up. But they were actually easier to get off than I thought they would be. They just caused a little bit of damage. See, I'm showing you right there. So we were just going to add some speckling, let that dry, sand it down, and then start our painting process. Because I had been wanting to do my own advent calendar, and I've been waiting patiently for like a year to find the right pieces, and I got lucky with this. And then I was in debate on how to do my numbers, and then yesterday I found them at my neighbor's yard sale. Very excited. Only spent like $1 on that. So very cheap DIY. It all worked out and I was happy. Now what I'm doing is I wanted just the top painted red. And I wanted to protect that first little piece there. Excuse me. So we're just putting some painter's tape on that just to make sure we don't get red on that piece. That is the only piece not going to be painted red. So the top's going to be painted red and all the other slats below that one. Because that one has like the letters, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Didn't want to touch that. The rest of the slats on top will be red. This is Imperial Red. It's really pretty for Christmas crafts. Now I do make a boo-boo in this video and I'll show you. Because I paint it. And if you don't know, you can use heat transfers like you put on clothes on wood. As long as it's smooth wood, you can iron it right onto wood. Okay? I've done it multiple times, but on this one, I'm thinking I should have sealed my red paint first and then did that. Excuse me, hold on. I swear, every time I get on voiceovers, my throat's like, okay, time to play games. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a good weekend. I hope you guys enjoy this, even though I made a boo-boo. It's not, like, crazy obvious, I guess. And I'm not, like, crazy worried about it. If it was a gift, I would be. You see how I did the slats? There we go. But I'm keeping it, so I'm okay. So here's the vinyl transfer piece we're going to be using. Okay. I got my pieces backwards. So this is when I've already ironed it on. But don't worry. It's going to show you me ironing it on. Right here is where it made the boo-boo. It kind of pulled up some of my paint. So I'm just touching it up. I guess this is going to be a backwards Sunday. Sorry, y'all. But I absolutely love how it comes out in the end. I hope you guys do too. I hope if you're new, you'll consider subscribing. And for the ones that have been here, supporting me, thank you so much. I appreciate it. We're growing, guys. We're growing. I couldn't be more happy, I swear. Very, very excited. So here we go. See how I did it backwards? So here's the heat transfer. This came from Temu. I will link, if it's not sold out, I will link it in the description box for y'all. But yeah, I just take my little mini iron that I have. And you're not going to want to like rub like you're ironing clothes. You're going to want to sit the iron on there for like maybe 30 seconds. Watch how I hold it there. Lift, move to another spot. Because if you move that side to side, you risk your piece moving. You know what I mean? You risk that heat transfer moving around, and you don't want that. So you just hold it in each spot for about 30 seconds. And like I said, when you do this on flat, smooth wood, it works so great. I only struggled because I think it's because I didn't seal the red paint first. And I do like to take my little roller and I roll it out some. That helps like press that down into your piece. Now here we go. I have already fixed the boo-boo because remember my videos were backwards, of course, because, you know, hot mess crafting. Of course I did something crazy. So now I'm just taking the end of my paintbrush and I'm making some dots only around the top. I felt like it needed a little something. And then I take it out and I use my clear spray sealer and I spray it real good. I think y'all are probably used to my backwardness and my throat, and I swear. I appreciate y'all still sticking around with my shenanigans here. And here it is finished. There's the numbers that I got from the yard sale. And I think I'm just going to take the blocks off one at a time. Make life easier on me. You know, as the day ends, take the block off. Put it in a little baggie. So I hope you like this. Thank you for joining. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, y'all.